Hi, I'm over here to help you snore less and sleep better. We should approach by 3 steps. The first, always try to sleep on your side than on your back. This will help you to keep your airway open. The second, always use hypertonic saline nasal spray before going to sleep. This will also keep your nasal airway open when you are sleeping. The third and the most important is to have a balanced diet and exercise regularly, because that will help you to attain an ideal weight, making your airway more open and you can sleep well. For more personalized advices, please consult us at Health Up Clinics.